darlings. My name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hop. Good evening, darlings. So the drink of choice this evening, or the cocktail of choice this evening, is called Agua de Valencia, which is the water of Valencia. And this is a favourite cocktail of my cousin Alison, who we went to visit a couple of weeks ago in Malaga. She lives just outside Malaga. She's got a little house in the mountains. And we went there for Sunday, and this is what Joe and her concocted. So it's sparkling wine. Probably normally would have been a carver, but I've just got the Cremant that I like. Vodka, gin, fresh orange juice, and oranges. So here we go. I'm going to use the whole of the orange juice. So I want a 100 mils, which is 2 large shots of vodka. Two large shots of gin. The whole of this freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm going to put some oranges in, but then some I'm going to keep for decoration. And then I'll top that up with the sparkling water, with the sparkling wine. If you like it a bit weaker, just add a little bit more sparkling wine when you fill the glasses. About half a bottle in there now, which is fine for my purposes today. Mix that in. I'd serve that in a large-ish wine glass with a slice of orange. There you go. Cheers. It's very good.